Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor channel. In today's episode we will talk about XL Fleet Corporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name XL. XL is actually showing very volatile behavior during last 4 months, and you can see that after starting from November 15, 16, from the level of about 10, it rose really nice with a double growth, with actually one peak and secondary peak was incredibly high, going almost to the level of 35, and also of course sending the price over sold very strongly RSI wise. And since then we had a decline towards moving average 20, the green line, and actually it was some depleting accumulation quite long time, also keeping the price RSI wise in the middle. And once this depleting accumulation did finish, and actually this channel was finally broken, the channel R1, R2, let's call it, we now observe the decline of the price and we are going really down. We went all the way average 100 is green line, by the way, red line, sorry. By the way, as always, we have at our daily charts 3 moving averages depicted. These are moving averages 20, 50 and 200, being green, blue and red line correspondingly. Here on the left you see their legend. So what do we observe here now? After declining by 22nd of February towards moving average 200, it was working as a very strong support line, and here we see a very nice volatility. We almost to the level of R2, and then it was immediate decline. So now what's next? We still see that moving average 200 as a support line, and we still actually hope for some volatility upwards, but also it's not just moving average 200, but also the support level that was formed previously, even by end of September and also by end of November. So this is the level of about, let's say, 1310. Let's call it S1, and we even rebounded from it during the daily trade. Therefore you see this very big downward shadow. But next question is, where further we are going to go? Will we really rebound, or will we continue depleting further? Because if you look at also MACD, it might give you some insights. So let's have a look at MACD histogram. After the bottoming and actually during the 22nd of February and trying to recover, it was declined, so nothing, another downward. So until this is fully finished, we cannot expect any further major rebound. So therefore, most probably we will be volatiling in the vicinity of moving average 200, so the red line, and maybe even trying to pierce a little bit further downwards, and this would be a very nice opportunity to buy. It will be actually immediate buy whenever we go below channel S1 and whenever we are between channel S1 and S2. Being said, let's write here, let's say, the first entry opportunity for this stock for XL, and it will be between 12 to actually 13, and although very broad channel, but also the volatilities are enormously big here. So it's immediate buy at S1, so immediate buy at 13, but it doesn't mean that you need to buy with your all money allocated to trade within this channel. You just need to start slowly entering there immediately. And one rebounds, so the question is how far it could go high. Well, still the question, maybe there is a new channel will be opening. Of course, for mid and long-term traders, the R2, the descending R2 will be a target price. So if you are like more for mid-long-term trader, you can aim for R2. If you are a daily trader, you need to catch the wave. And for daily traders, we always advise at our channel to take the profit at 2 to 15%. Once you have it, just take it and either re-enter. If you just check out, we post many videos daily, also videos that are up to 5 weeks ago placed at our channel are still fresh, and situation discussed there could be just happening. So this will be the first level to enter for XL. Of course, next, very not probable, but what if we decline further? So what if we have another negative catalyst coming and really sending the price to this exponential like decay before really making this spike? Well, then we just need to be prepared for averaging down based on let's say next levels. And if you look here, you can clearly see that the next level is just between actually 11 and to 1050. So with this being said, it will be here another level to enter. Quite nice for this stock. Actually, it's already quite low, so I don't think it will take much time to have a major spike and to take the target profit from 10 to 15%. So with this being said, this would be something between 10.45 to 11. And again, would be very nice entry opportunity. Still technical move could be there. What if some negative catalysts come? Really rare, almost impossible situation here, of course, because it's already at the bottom, so we could have a spike any moment. But just to keep it in let's say, in mind, and just to be prepared for this. So if we go anywhere lower those levels, so any lower than, say, here it would be about 9, let's put it. It will be again immediate buy as free level, the last one. We always do this kind of scenario, trying to mitigate possible negative catalysts coming in, and that's part of our mixed analysis. So what does it mean? It means that we do analysis at our channel based on 3 pillars. So one is just technical analysis. Second one is non-linear average down, that's what we're discussing here, based on support channels and resist channels. And then is, of course, so-called mitigation of possible risks due to negative catalysts. And simply it could be news or something in company reorganization, offering whatsoever. If it's coming, you need to be prepared, and therefore this is a mitigation of your risk. Actually many people don't take it into account. They don't keep funds for this mitigation, and if this comes, they have to take loss, and even their previous positive trade is cancelled by this. So at our channel, we always try to take it into account, and we don't provide taking loss or take discussions, because our strategy is a little bit different. It's to make a profit from any trade. It might still take a bit longer time, but we enter slowly, non-linearly, therefore we could make a very nice trade here. So that's the strategy to play with Excel. It's still, speaking of non-linear averaging down, it's still quite positive. So here it would be advised not 5 but 4 portions, meaning you can enter 1, 1, 2. So we might spike faster up. It's 4. What does it mean? It means that the funds you would like to play here, you need to split in 4, and then you can buy with 1 portion already in the first circle. If we go to the lowest one, you can buy again with 1 portion there, although quite rare possibility. And if we really go down below S3 channel, you can immediately buy and average down with 2 portions of your funds allocated there. So this way it will be the best combination, best optimization for profit versus loss. So that's all for Excel. It's already nice to enter and start playing in those volatility levels. So this is the numerical card for it. If you are more for graphical one, you can look here. So you can just make a print screen of this one and use it as a trading card for Excel. With this being said, that's all at the moment for this stock. Good luck with it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you didn't do so already, please also press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.